Let's assemble the Palma water landing gear. Follow these steps carefully for a secure and stable setup. Step 1. Check the package contents. You should have a pair of foam grabbers, 4 connecting rods, a main frame, and a Velcro strap. Step 2. Insert each of the 4 rods into the main frame. Align the pegs with the corresponding slots. They should slide in easily. If a rod gets stuck, check for any obstructions. Ensure that the metal screws and the magnet make contact. You can confirm this by listening for a click or feeling the connection. Step 3. Attach the foam grabbers to the rods. Look for the letter B on the main frame, this indicates the backside of the drone. Similarly, each foam grabber has indicators, LB for left back and RB for right back. Use these labels to assemble the grabbers in the correct positions. Step 4. Insert the drone into the main frame. It should fit into the designated slot with the front slightly tilted upward at about a 15-degree angle. For an easier fit, try lifting the main frame slightly off the table as you insert the drone. Step 5. Secure the water landing gear to the drone using the Velcro strap. Step 6. Verify that all parts are securely connected and in proper shape. The pegs and slots should minimize any movement, ensuring the drone remains balanced and stable on the water. Now, your drone is ready for an adventure.